So today we will study about the gravitational field concept. Alright, according to statement or definition states that the space around a body in which any other body experiences a force of attraction, that region is called as a gravitational field of the object. Alright, what do you mean by this? So, for example, you are taking this body having mass capital M. Alright, and there is another body which we are bringing from here. Okay, say this is your another body having mass small m. Alright, so when we are bringing this body from here to here, after a certain point we will start experiencing a force of attraction in this body. Okay, so the region where we are experiencing the force of attraction in this body, that region is the gravitational field of this body. Means, for example, this is the region where we are experiencing the force of attraction in this body. So this region, this complete dotted region, is your gravitational field of this body, right? So this is your gravitational field. Clear? Alright, so now come to the next portion of this topic, which is the gravitational field strength or intensity of gravitational field. See, whenever there is a term called force or field, okay, so it is a measurable quantity. Okay, you should know that what is the strength or what is the intensity of that gravitational field. So what do you mean by this term strength or intensity? It means that the force experienced both in magnitude as well as in direction by a unit mass placed at a point in a gravitational field. For example, see, I am putting one object, okay, having mass capital M1, and this is another having mass capital M2. Right now, I am bringing one small unit positive mass in this one. Okay, I am bringing from here. This is your small m mass. Okay, and same thing I am doing with this mass also, bringing small mass m. What I am seeing that when I am bringing this mass, this small mass towards m1, then I am feeling a stronger force of attraction towards m1. And when I am doing the same thing with this mass, in this case with the m2 mass, then inside the gravitational field of m2 I am feeling a weaker force of attraction. Alright, so I am aware that the field, the strength of this field around m1 is stronger as compared to the field of m2. So that is the term gravitational field strength or intensity of gravitational field. Alright, and generally the field strength or the intensity is denoted by capital E, right, and it is given by E is equal to F upon M. Vector E is equal to F upon M, where F is the force of universal of force of attraction between the two bodies. In this case it will be M1 between M1 and M, and in this case it will be M2 and M, and this M is their small test charge which we are bringing towards the main object. So capital E is given by E equal to F upon M. Okay. Alright, so now we have to plot the graph between capital E and small r, where small r is the distance of the distance from the center of earth. Okay, so when we will plot the graph will be like this. This is the section where E is directly proportional to small r. Okay, this peak point is the point where r, small r, is equal to your capital R, and capital R is the radius of earth. Clear? And this curve region, this is the region where E is inversely proportional to 1 upon r square, right? So now after looking this graph, if you remember, when we have plotted the graph between G dash and R, G dash and small r, where G dash is the value of G at a certain depth inside the surface of earth, right? So that graph was also like this. Okay, this was the point where R was equal to capital R, and in this y-axis we have plotted G dash, and this was the axis for R. So ultimately this same graph, the same type of graph we are getting in case of G dash and R and E and R. Alright, this was the portion where G dash was directly proportional to R, and this was the region where G dash was inversely proportional to 1 upon R square. Okay, so if you are asked to draw the graph or identify the graph between E and R or G dash and R, then you will have to do this thing. Clear? So this is the graph. This topic seems to be very easy, but it is very important topic. Alright, so now still if you have any doubt in this topic, then you can ask in the comment section below, or if you like the video, then press the like button. Clear? Thank you.